Hi everybody, welcome to Mondays with Mark. Today we are going to talk about leg length discrepancy. That is when you have one leg longer or one leg shorter than the other leg. Now you can see 10 different people and they'll tell you 10 different things about leg length. Some people will tell you it's functional, others will say it's structural, others will say it's a muscle imbalance. Um, when I see people for leg length inequality, I always tell them the gold standard for leg length inequality is to get a standing X-ray. When you get a standing X-ray, they can actually measure the bones, and then you know the exact difference of your legs. Leg length inequality in runners is a very important thing because when you run, you land with 3.5 to 7.5 times your body weight. Okay? Why is that important? If you have a leg length inequality, you will put more weight on your longer leg. So typically what I find, and this happens sometimes as early as high school, somebody comes in and they keep getting stress fractures on the one leg, on the metatarsals, on the tibia. It typically happens on the long leg. In 35 years of working with leg length inequality, I have found that 3 millimeters or more is significant. You can do a Google search on leg length inequality and it will tell you that 12 millimeters is not significant. It's not what I find. If you spend a lot of time on your feet, if you're a retail worker, if you're a doctor, a surgeon, a teacher who spend a lot of time on their feet, 3 millimeters or more is a problem. Why is it a problem? If you stand on level ground or run on level ground like on the pavement or on concrete, your body detects that you are hitting your legs differently. When your body detects that, it will make some accommodations. The typical accommodation in 90% of people is that you get a posterior rotation on the long side. 10% of the time, if you have an anterior tilted pelvis, you will get a posterior rotation on your short side. The other thing that is common is that if you watch somebody with a leg length difference, they look like they're running on the side of the hill. One leg will be pronated and the other leg will be supinated. Okay, so if you watch them from behind, they look like they're running on the side of a hill. It's the way your body accommodates to the leg length difference. So if you feel like you have an inequality, get your physician to do a standing X-ray, come into the store, and we'll give you a lift to accommodate for your difference, and it will eliminate a significant source of pelvic inequality and having to go to the chiropractor to correct your alignment.